Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We are done and dusted for the 2015 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. It has been another incredible weekend. Amazing drives, hardcore rock action. The Milbrodale Rocks have not let us down. Plenty of sponsors on board we'd like to thank. Remember, all of the merchandise you need for Tough Truck is available at toughtruck.com.au. Guys, we have had an absolutely amazing weekend. There are a stack of videos online. Search through them, find the best Tough Truck videos you can and comment. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to follow Tough Truck on Facebook. Guys, this is Simon Christie from Four Wheel Drive TV signing off for another year, the 2015 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge. We've had an awesome time. Thank you for joining us.